Shell Dyson Vacuums Cleaner Battery includes V6, V7, V8, V10, V11, V12 4 series. High-quality BMS ensures the battery works smoothly and stably. They are approved MSDS HAN 38.3, CEUL, and other certificates.